Traditional outsourcing? Yeah, it's had its day. If you're a business leader, you know paying for hours worked or boxes ticked just isn't enough anymore. CFOs want more. They need scale, speed, and cost control without the headaches. That's where outcome-based outsourcing flips the script. Instead of shelling out for time or tasks, you pay for results. Picture this: rather than paying a vendor to process 1,000 invoices, you're paying for 99.97% accuracy and a 48-hour turnaround. Suddenly your vendor's success is tied directly to your goals, their incentives, now totally aligned with what you care about. How does it work? It all starts with strong SLAs and crystal clear KPIs. The best companies track things like cycle time, data accuracy, compliance, and how fast exceptions get resolved. Cycle time, data accuracy, compliance, how fast exceptions get resolved. Everybody's looking at the same dashboard, in real time. That means you spot issues early, make quick adjustments, and avoid those expensive surprises no one likes. And the relationship? It's structured from the get-go. There's solid onboarding, documented success criteria, regular reviews, and continuous improvement. It's not just management, it's real governance. That's how you get visibility, control, and results you can actually predict. At ARDEM, this is what we do every day. We set measurable targets, right from the start, track performance through cloud dashboards, and use automation, AI, and RPA to blow past SLAs. Just ask our retail AP client. We delivered a 50% faster turnaround and 99.98% accuracy in the first quarter, all verified in their own system. Bottom line, the old days of paying for hours are done. The new rule? Pay for outcomes. If you want outsourcing that reduces risk and delivers real business value, outcome-based accountability is the only way forward. Contact ARDEM and make your outsourcing work for you.